Vico Soto faces another graft rap over undistributed cash allowance. Ito ay article ng GMA News Online. Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto and 3 other city officials are facing a complaint for graft and violating the Government Procurement Reform Act over the alleged undistributed cash allowance for Pasig City Hall employees. So, may nagsampa ng kaso laban kay Vico. Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa kaso? Sure na tayo, wala. Nagsisilabasan yung mga kaso pag malapit na yung election eh. In a 28-page complaint filed with the Office of the Ombudsman last July 30, 2024, Pasig resident Michelle Prudencio accused Soto, Human Resources Development Office Head Elvira Flores, City Administrator Jeromino Manzanero, and Bids and Awards Committee Head Josephine Bagausian of failing to distribute the 1,500 allowance to Pasig City Hall employees for the 451st araw ng Pasig on July 2, 2024. So sinasabi ni Michelle Prudencio na hindi daw binigyan ang Pasig City Hall employees noong araw ng Pasig ng 1.5. The complaint further states that instead of the cash allowance, the employees were given commemorative t-shirts allegedly acquired without the proper procurement process. So, sinasabi naman dito na walang procurement na naganap sa mga t-shirt. Sinasabi dito na from 1.5 to t-shirt, tama ba yun? Soto issued Executive Order number 28 dated June 27 through which a grant of allowance was issued to acquire or purchase the commemorative shirts for the 2024 araw ng Pasig celebration. So, nag-issue naman si Soto na a grant of allowance was issued to acquire, purchase the commemorative shirts. Ano yung search? Ano ito nag-ahanap? For the 2024 araw ng Pasig. So, nagbigay naman nata ng budget para dun sa mga t-shirt. The EO also stated that Pasig City Hall employees were informed of the schedule of release and distribution of t-shirts on June 28 and June 29. However, during the first scheduled distribution of the t-shirts, no cash allowance was given. Ito ang sabi sa complaint, mga kaibigan, na isinampa. Instead of receiving cash allowances, employees were given t-shirts. Ano ba nangyari sa t-shirts ko? During the scheduled distribution and were forced to execute acknowledgement receipts to make it appear that they received their cash allowance. So yun na yun nangyari. Ang binigay lang t-shirt tapos nagbigay ng resibo para masabi daw na nabigyan yung pera. Yun yung sabi sa complaint, okay? The complaint also alleged that there was no competitive bidding for the acquisition of the t-shirts that were worth 17.2 million. So ito ulit ang sabi sa complaint. There was no advertisement or posting of any bid invitation for the procurement of the araw ng Pasig t-shirts. This blatant disregard for the legal requirement of the procurement process suggests either gross negligence or intentional circumvention of established rules. GMA News Online has sought comment from Soto on the matter, but neither the mayor nor his representatives had responded as of posting time. So, hindi pa nagsasalita ang kampo ni Vico. Wala kanina. Hindi, kahapon. Other complaints were filed against Soto and 2 other city officials over the alleged illegal grant of discount to telecommunication provider Converge. Ang daing kaso no? Malapit na kasi eleksyon. Soto said the filing of complaints against him is part of the dirty tactics of some political groups. Ito ang sabi ni Vico Soto. This is not the first time. Notice the interesting timing of this. At the same time that certain political groups are ramping up their political activities. O tama nga naman, bakit ngayon kala? Bakit ngayon? kung kailan ang ating gusto mayroon ng mahal. Ano naman sabi nyo sa mga nagre-reklamo kay Vico Soto? Comment down below.